Well, effectively Casio are unique in that we offer a completely lamp-free lineup of projectors. So if you buy an entry-level box or you buy a higher-end unit, you're getting a lamp-free unit that uses hybrid laser and LED architecture to replace the need for a lamp, and that means that you've got a sustainable light source that will carry you on for 5 years and well beyond. So the benefits of having lamp-free projectors are quite numerous. The idea is that by having no lamp in your projector, you've effectively eliminated the main source of upkeep on projectors. There's no need to stock lamps, replace them, or actually have to go out and source them, which of course results in additional cost. So when you say, I'm going to opt for a Casio unit over another brand, for instance, you could say I'm actually getting something which has no running costs attached. We also have no interchangeable filters in our units. There's actually no user-maintained parts at all. So what we can offer is a fit and forget solution. So what we've just done is we've launched a new range. A couple of new products have just been launched in the wake of the ISE show that we had in February. So we've now got a new advanced unit and a new superior range, which offer advanced connectivity over and above the benefits of the standard Lampfree. So what we can do is we can offer connectivity wirelessly for up to 40 laptops in a classroom setting and allow people to share their content wirelessly to the projector and collaborate between them via a moderator function. It is pretty useful in the sense that it takes the projector beyond being simply a presentation device, and it actually enables some scope for collaboration analysis, because you can choose whose content gets to go up on the screen, and you can have up to 4 people's screens shared at the same time in a tiled arrangement, so you can actually compare and contrast.